What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing and first impressions of the new Denon DJ SC5000M Prime multimedia player. So what makes this different from the original SC5000 that we originally reviewed a few months back is that this has the M, or the motorized metal platter underneath that actually actively spins just like a real turntable. You also have a real piece of 7-inch vinyl on top, and you also have a real 7-inch slip mat there as well. So it feels very, very close to what you're used to feeling if you're using DJ turntables. This makes it easier for those who want to do juggling, those who want to scratch, and still have that true to vinyl turntable-like feel. So back in the day, Denon made something like this with the 3500s, the 3700s, and the 3900s. And I actually had a set of 3700s when this channel first started. They were excellent back then, but these are even better than those. These are better than those by leaps and bounds because I've already used this before. So we're not going to have a full out review in the next 2 weeks on this device as we usually do, because we already did the full out review on the regular SC5000 Prime edition. The only difference here is with the motor. So when we go over this in the next couple weeks in the next video, we're just going to let you know our thoughts and how we feel about the actual implementation of the motorized platter, and if we think that this is perfect for other turntablists or for people who just want a better vinyl feel but still have all that multimedia goodness that this touch screens and everything else the Prime has to offer. So let's hurry up and open up this box and see exactly what we get inside. First things first, we have a box of goodies here, and I'm sure this probably contains the vinyl along with the platter and a few other things that you're going to need to make this work. The second thing up is your SC5000 Prime Quick Start Guide. You also get a cleaning cloth in here, and it looks like you get some stickers, and it also has an Allen key in here, so that way you can adjust and tighten the sensitivity or the looseness of the vinyl record on top. We'll put that together in a minute. Next thing we have here is your standard power cable. You notice there is no power brick because these are internally powered. Thank goodness for that. So inside the box we had another big bag of goodies here. And this comes with a nice heavy duty USB cable. Also has a RJ45 communication cable. It has a USB extension cable in here. And it also has 2 RCA cables as well, and this all feels very, very high quality, very durable. You need 2 RCA cables because just like the original SC5000, there's 2 decks in one layered on this device, so you have 2 separate audio outputs to connect to 2 different channels of your mixer. Alright, so here she is. It's very heavy duty. It's solid. Definitely feels heavier than the other edition because you have that motor in there. It looks like a miniature Technique 1200 style motor, actually. And we're going to put the platter on and put everything together so you guys can see how it looks once it's all set up. Okay, now that we have it all put together and assembled, you can see that we have the platter here on top of the motor. We also have a nice slip mat underneath that, and then you have a real piece of vinyl here. You can use your own vinyl to set this up as well, maybe different colors or whatever else you might want to customize this with. And you have your performance pads on the bottom, all metal top finish. You also have more metal reinforcements in the body. It's just very, very sturdy feeling, even more so than the original SC5000 that does not have this heavy platter and the heavy motor in it as well. You have the 7-inch touch screen here that gives you all of your information, all of your waveforms, all of your library navigation, and all the features that are on the SC5000 are here as well. So when we do the video in the next couple weeks, we're actually not going to do a full out review video. We're just going to let you know our thoughts and how the implementation of this motor feels and exactly who this style of media player would be perfect for. So if you guys like videos like this one, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so that way you know when the next SC5000M Prime video is coming out. And as always, thanks for watching.